What's going on, everyone? Today I have a box of 2016 Certified. There was some crazy good Black Friday deals, and this was one of them. So we have 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, 50 cards, super thick box for 10 packs. And then no odds on the back, but they do let you know that non-base cards are included, approximately one in every pack. So that's the only odds that they give you. I wish that they would still put the pack odds on there instead of listing all of the different parallels and variations and stuff like that. You know, look at that. Just all the parallels. It's ridiculous. But anyway, all right, let's get this bad boy opened. So there's what the inside of the box looks like. I'm really only make sure there's nothing hidden in here. You never know. I'm trying to get one driver. My favorite current sprint car driver is Rico Abreu. He has cards in this set. He has autographs in this set. So that is what I am hoping to pull today. Just something from Rico. If y'all don't know, Rico, he's a sprint car driver, and currently he's in the High Limit series. So first up we have MTJ, Kyle Busch. Nice red Matt Kenseth. That is what, 36 out of 75. Kurt Busch and another Matt Kenseth. Last year for Black Friday, the blasters were on sale, but this year it was the full boxes. So I was really happy to see the full boxes being offered for sale. But I really like the 2016 cards. I like the design, and they look really nice when they're signed. So we have Colin Cabre, Dave Marcus. All right, nice to see Dave. Tyler Reddick, filler card. Use that for packing material. Kyle Busch and June Bug. Now, let me show you the back of the cards. That's what the backs of all the cards look like. The box said, what was it? Two autographs and 2 memorabilia cards. So all right, Ben Rhodes rookie card. There's the back of the Ben Rhodes in case you all wanted to see it. Casey Kane, Joey Logano, another Joey Logano, and DW. Ooh, this one's thick. So that's probably our memorabilia. With my luck, it's probably Cole Custer or Eric Almirola. Hopefully I'm wrong, but I seem to be a magnet for those two guys no matter what product I open. We have Tony Stewart, Matty D. Casey Mears, the other guy that I cannot stop pulling. It's pretty cool though. So that's numbered 146 out of 210. We have Jeffrey Bodine and an Anna Parkhurst rookie. Jeez, I can't talk this morning. All right, Michael McDowell, Ricky Craven. Ooh, Elliott Sadler. This is probably autographed with a big old sticker directly on the autograph. Hey, called it. I hate that Junior Motorsports does this. It's something that they picked up from Hendrick. that they put the hologram right on the autograph. It's kind of frustrating. Jimmy Johnson and Bill Elliott. Because the whole point of getting the card signed is, you know, you want to be able to see the autograph, right? But then you put the clear sticker on here, you know, it just takes away from the card, honestly. Like, put it up here in the corner or something. Hell, put it on the back. You already have your certificate of authenticity right there. But, I don't know, man. Oh, we got a young Willie B rookie card. Brad K. Always like the White Miller Light car. Danica. Casey Kane. And Cousin Carl. The Hall of Famer, Cousin Carl. This one also feels thick. We have Jack Ingram, the Hall of Famer. Jeb Burton. Michael Annette. We have Brandon Jones, rookie. And Ryan Reed. Down to our last 3 packs. Still no Rico Abreu. Another Jeb Burton, though. Another Michael Annette. Ooh, Cousin Carl. What do we got? Ooh, this one's a gold one. So this is 3 out of 25 for Carl Edwards. Swatches. Oh, fire suit action. Then we have Ernie Irvan. And Ty Dillon. So we got 1 autograph, 2 memorabilia. Ooh, this one's thick as well. We'll save that for the end just in case it's one of those, has one of them dummy cards in it. We'll find out. You got Gentleman Ned. The Dinger. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like that, man. Look at that. Famed Rods. Javen McMurray, red, 29 out of 75. I kind of like how it matches. I don't remember that McDonald's scheme. But that's one of the cool things about this set is the Famed Rides cards. I really like the die cuts of those. I think they look cool. Then we have Elliott Sadler and Junior Johnson. All right. So I wonder if this is one of the... Since it's thick and I'm still missing an autograph, I wonder if this is the freshman fabrics. Let's see. Nicole Bihar, rookie card. Clint Boyer. No, another Cousin Carl. Ooh, dang, that is nice. So that's 47 out of 50. Sticker auto with the swatch. Super thick card too. And then we've got Casey Mears and Danica Patrick to finish it off. So supposed to get 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia per box. So we got Cousin Carl. We also got Cousin Carl as a relic, 2 relics and 1 autograph from Cousin Carl. Then we got the Elliott Sadler autograph. The Casey Mears dual swatches, and then 2 numbered cards out of, both of them were out of 75. So not a bad rip, at all, because like I said, got it for Black Friday, so crazy affordable. Can't complain with this rip at all. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate the support.